Welcome to this demonstration from the EMC Solutions Group. This demonstration will show you how to eliminate single points of failure from an SAP deployment. Let's take a look at the architecture of the solution. The solution is made up of two primary data centers with a VPLEX cluster in each. This is Site A. Here is Site B, and together they create a VPLEX Metro cluster. Site C is a virtual machine that is used as the VPLEX witness. On Site A, a VMAX 20K provides the storage, whilst on Site B, a VMAX 10K is used. Brocade VDX switches are deployed at each site. VMware routers are used to extend Layer 2 networking between the data centers. The SAN was built using Brocade DCX backbones. Here we see the VMware stretch cluster and the SAP virtual machines. Here we see the SAP instances configured on SUSE High Availability extension. Notice there is a master and a slave instance. Here our SAP admin is creating an order showing the system under normal operations. The order addition completes successfully. This shows the Oracle extended rack nodes. All four are available. We now inject a fault into the VPLEX on Site A. Cluster 1 becomes isolated because of an inter-cluster network partition. This is also known as a split brain. The VPLEX witness must now decide the winning VPLEX. In this case, storage served by VPLEX cluster 2 on Site B is the winner and remains available. Checking connectivity from the VPLEX on Site B, we can see that Site A is unreachable and the cluster witness is still connected. Here we see that the Site A VPLEX, cluster 1, is shown as isolated or dead. The cluster status shows an error on cluster 1 at Site A. Site B remains fully operational. Two rack nodes on Site B remain available, whilst those on Site A are ejected. It's important to note that all ESXi servers remain available throughout the failure condition. This is because VPLEX Metro High Availability Cross-Cluster Connect was implemented in this environment. Once the fault is fixed, VPLEX reconnects and resyncs, and the rack nodes restart on Site A. There was no interruption to the SAP landscape. The SAP admin continues operations completely unaware there was a failure on the system. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. For more details, the complete white paper is available on emc.com, or simply Google everything SAP at EMC.